Hello, this is PopDude4, and today I'm going to teach you on how to make a simple particle animation, just like the one you saw before. If you do not know how to do keyframes, I suggest that you don't start with this, but first you go and take a look at my keyframe tutorial, because we're going to be doing a bit with keyframes in this. So first, just start off by deleting the default cube. Now go to add, and then just add in anything you want. I'm just going to add in UV sphere. Now size it to however you want. I'm doing it to 0.5, and then add in another of whatever you added in. Set psychosphere. Okay, so now recolor them. Whatever color you make your objects is going to be the color of what the smoke particles will look like. So I'm going to add on the blend texture to it. That way it's a multicolored thing. So I'm going to just do blue and red, just like on the what I showed you in the beginning. Blend. Okay, so once you have your objects recolored, you're going to want to go over to the Objects tabs and then press Particle buttons. Now, while you have one of your objects selected, press Add New. Then you can change around with the initial velocity and basic if you want. I'm just going to change to random. I'm going to change it to 0.500. Then do the exact same for your other object. 0.500. Okay, now put them back into the same place or wherever you want them to start. I'm just going to have them both start off in the center, and then go to the Animation tab. So make sure that you have one of them selected, and then just start moving them around. That way your smoke will move around, like what I'm doing right now. Oops. I look. I look. I look. I look. And just I look. So let me just test this out really quickly. Okay, now I'm just going to do basically the same thing with the other one. Okay, the opposite. I look. I look. I look. So then when you play it back, I'll have it all moving like that. So now I'm going to go to render it. For me, my render settings are just AVI raw, and then I'll just turn off shadow. So then I'll do the animation render. It'll take a bit of time for it to process all of the frames for the first time. So we're just gonna have to wait a minute. It's waiting for 250 frames right now, and right now it's at about 50, so we're about fifth way there. this is right here a slow motion animation of what it should look like in the end, basically. Okay, so now only about 100 frames to go. I forgot to lower down the amount of end frames, but okay, so now it's at frame 250 and it should be done. So now you can press play, and I got something like that. So that was a tutorial on how to do basic particles in Blender 2.48. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.